We spent over a decade in school, but most of us never learned the basics of money, not budgeting, not investing, not even how taxes work. We were tested on algebra and history, but left clueless about how to survive financially. Here are 7 things schools should have taught us about money, but didn't. Scene script. Number 1, how to budget. We learned how to solve equations, but not how to organize a monthly income. Budgeting is the foundation of adult life. It helps you tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. No one taught us how to split our paycheck into needs, savings, or goals, but it's a skill that builds control and peace. Scene script number 2, the power of compound interest. They showed us graphs in math class, but never explained how $100 invested early could turn into thousands. Compound interest isn't just math, it's magic. It rewards time more than money. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. But most of us didn't hear that until we were already behind. Scene script number 3, how to manage debt. Credit cards, student loans, interest rates. We weren't prepared for them. No one explained how easily debt can grow or how hard it is to escape once you're in. Managing debt isn't about fear, it's about understanding and being intentional. Number 4, taxes 101. We were never taught how to file taxes, what deductions are, or why your paycheck is smaller than you expect. And yet, every adult deals with taxes every single year. It's strange, isn't it, that something so universal was left out of the classroom. Number 5, how to save consistently. Saving isn't about skipping coffee, it's about building a habit. If schools taught us to set up automatic transfers, to pay ourselves first, to make saving invisible, we might have grown up with way less stress. Scene script number 6, the emotional side of money. Money isn't just math, it's feelings. It's fear, guilt, shame, pride. How we spend, save, or avoid money often says more about our emotions than our bank account. But no one talked about it. No one said it was okay to feel something when it comes to money. So most of us grew up confused and silent. Scene script number 7, how to build multiple income streams. Relying on one job is risky. But no one mentioned freelancing, investing, digital products, or passive income. Most of us believed the only way to earn was through a 9-to-5. Now we're learning, often late, that there are many paths to financial freedom, and they don't all start with a paycheck. The truth is, school didn't fail us entirely, but it left us unprepared for real life. These lessons aren't complicated, they're just missing. And now it's on us to catch up. If this hit home, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you're ready to take control of your money, subscribe, because the learning starts now.